Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever tried propagating spider plants? If not, then today's video is for you because today we will see the easiest method to propagate spider plants, and I'm sure you'll be amazed to see that they can be grown in such small size pots as well. So let's get started.
Welcome back friends, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
Spider plants are one of the best air purifying plants, and they are very hardy too. Once you get the plant from nursery, then you really don't need to buy more of it because you can easily propagate them and make multiple pots out of it. Please check its detailed video to know about its soil mix, water, sunlight requirement and other details. Link is there in the description box. Mature spider plants develop this kind of hanging spiderates, which is also called as baby spider plants, and they develop roots as well in the plant itself, and that is how it becomes very easy to propagate them. All you need to do is to collect these spiderates growing in the mature spider plants, and you'll see them hanging like this. Now if you wish, you can grow them in water as well, like money plants. They make a beautiful tabletop decor piece. Just remember, only root is touching the water, not the leaves. So now we have collected the cuttings. Let's prepare them for planting in the soil. So this is how you have to separate all the plants from the stem. And now it's time to plant them. So here I'm choosing these small size succulent planters, and they all have drainage holes. And for the potting mix, here I'm taking a mix of CXocopeat, vermicompost and some perlite. There is no soil in it. This is a perfect mix for hanging baskets as it's lightweight and holds moisture for longer. And this potting mix is highly recommended for small size pots as well. Now here I have some sphagnum moss and I'll use it to keep it at the drainage hole of the pot. Now just fill the soil into the pot and place these spiderates and you're done. And once they outgrow the pot, shift them to the bigger one. You can check my other video to know the other two methods to propagate spider plants. Now just water them thoroughly and keep the pot in shade for a couple of days and you're done. See how cute they look in these small pots. Do let me know if you have any questions about propagating spider plants. I would love to answer them.
Well, that's all for today friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video and please stay connected for many more interesting videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.